1.
Download and install OBS WebSocket.
Find that in the description.
2.
In OBS, go to Tools, WebSocket. Add a password if you wanna, press OK.
3.
In TriggerFyre, click this button. Copy link. In OBS, make a new source. Browser. Call it something. Paste your link. Put in the size of your screen. Spam the refresh cache. Turn on these two. Okay.
4.
Copy the channel point name you want to use. In TriggerFyre, click Images. Create. Click this icon. Paste your channel point name. Paste a command name in. Select Image. Click Upload. Select your file. Select your file again. Select a duration. Save it. Now, test it. Waka 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 waka. Huge thanks to her name is Malula. Check her out.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.